everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to sell USDT on Binance. First, let's open the Binance app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on Wallets on the lower right corner. Now go to Spot section above. Tap on Withdraw button. Now select USDT, or you can search it using the search bar. In the pop-up, select Send via Crypto Network. Now in here, you need to paste the address of the wallet that you want. For example, let's just paste the address from BitGet wallet. Go over to BitGet wallet and open the USDT tab and copy the wallet address. Or you can simply follow the things on the screen. After copying it, then move back to Binance and paste the copied address. For the network, it should be the same with the network you choose from BitGet app on your wallet that you use. Now enter the withdrawal amount you wish to sell. Take note that you will pay a network fee depending on the network that you choose. Once done, tap withdraw button and follow the confirmation step that will show on your screen. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.